What if you could take a software that businesses are already paying hundreds of dollars a month for, put your name on it, your logo, your price, and collect the money every single month without building a single thing or writing a single line of code? And the best part is you keep 100% of all the income that you're generating. Now, that's exactly what I've been doing for the past several years. As you can see, I've made over $1.5 million doing this exact same thing. And these are not just one-time payments. These are monthly reoccurring subscriptions where people pay me every single month. And get this, people pay me every single month, and I don't even have to update the software, maintain the software, nothing. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact model, the exact framework, and the exact math on how you can replicate this exact same process. So by the end of this video, you're going to completely understand how this opportunity works and if this is something that you want to build starting today. Now, before we get into the video, I want to mention that I have completely free resources for you. So no, don't worry, put your credit cards away. You're not going to have to purchase a $1,000 course. I'm just going to give everything to you. Now, these are the resources that I have created. As you can see, this is a community with almost 3,000 members. Within this community, I have an entire course walking you through the process even more. And if you go to the calendar section, you can see that I have coaching calls every single week to help you with this business model. And no, I'm not going to charge you a single dollar for this. This is absolutely free for you. If you want access to all these resources that I mentioned, just comment Whitelabel down below and I will personally send you all the resources that I mentioned. All right, let's get into it. Now, before I show you the step-by-step process, I want you to understand the opportunity and how this works. There is a business model called white labeling. Now, white labeling is when you take a product that already exist, already built, already working, and already proven, and you put your own brand on it, your own logo, your own name, your own domain, and you can resell it at 100% commissions. Now, this actually happens in other industries as well. For example, the protein powder at your local supplement store, a lot of those products are actually white labeled from a product in China, but the businesses selling it will actually put their own branding, their own marketing, their own logo, and resell it as their own. Now, believe it or not, you're probably buying the exact same product for a lot of these products in the physical form, whether it's a protein powder or vitamins or any type of product that anyone can resell. And white labeling is one of the oldest and proven business models in the entire world. But most people don't realize that they can do this with software. I'm talking about real powerful professional software. And when you white label software, the math becomes incredible. I want to show you. All right, so as you can see in this graph, I have physical versus software. Now, with physical, your costs scale with volume. Every unit you sell costs you more money. But with software costs the same whether one person uses it or millions of people are using it. And this is the key ingredient right here. Because remember, the code is already written, the servers are already running. You just put your name on it and collect monthly subscription payments. That is the model right here. And that is exactly what I've been doing. Now, let me tell you specifically what software I white labeled and why. The software is called GoHighLevel. Now, if you've never heard of GoHighLevel, that is completely okay. Most people outside of the marketing world have never heard of it. But here is what you need to know about it. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one business software platform. It does everything a business needs to market itself, generate leads, and manage customers. We are talking about email marketing, text message marketing, websites, sales funnels, appointment bookings, automation, CRM, reputation management on Google, social media scheduling, AI customer service agents, and more. And right now, businesses are paying for 10, 15, 20 different software tools to do all of these things specifically as you can see on the screen. They pay for an email tool, a booking tool, a funnel builder, a CRM, a review management tool, and they are spending hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars a month keeping all of those tools running. But GoHighLevel replaces every single one of those tools. One platform, everything in one place. Now, here's the part that changed my entire life. GoHighLevel allows you to take their entire platform, all of it, put your own logo on it, your own branding, and resell it as if it were your own software. Your customers never see GoHighLevel. They just see your brand, your logo, and your domain. They use your platform and, more importantly, pay you every single month. Now, here's my white label version of GoHighLevel software. It's called funnelfreedom.io. Now, as you can see, it's my logo, my domain. You can't tell it's GoHighLevel, but all the features are there, right? The website builder, the courses, the customer management, all the things that I mentioned, all in my branding, in my specific logo. Now, the cool thing is I actually won the Diamond Award with GoHighLevel, meaning I had over 1,000 people using the software. And because of that, GoHighLevel awarded me the Diamond Award. And as you can see, I got to walk the stage and grab that award from the founders themselves. So yes, this is real, it's proven. Now I wanna show you the math behind all of this. Now let me walk you through the exact math framework step by step. There are 4 parts to this. Number 1, the cost, the break even, the scale, and the compounding effect. Let's go through each one. All right, step 1, the cost. So the cost to be able to white label the software is $497. Now, the cool thing is once you pay this, this gives you the ability to white label and start selling this software as your own. Now, I know what you're thinking, $497 sounds like a lot, and it is. But here's what makes it unlike any other business out there. The $497 is your only fixed cost. GoHighLevel does not charge you for every customer that comes in. They don't charge you per user. So if you have 5 users on your software or 10,000 users, you're still paying the $497 to GoHighLevel. And that's the beauty. The cost is fixed, but your revenue is unlimited. All right, so I want to show you the break even because again, remember it's $497 to have the software, but you can charge anything you want. Now, the lowest minimum price you can charge is $97. So let's just say that you charge $97 and that's on the low end. I know a lot of people charging $297, $497, and even $997 to resell this software. But let's just take the low end, right? Let's just say we're selling this at $97. So we get at least 5 people to pay the $497. And as you can see, now this is break even and we're actually making a profit with only 6 people, okay? Now it's incredible to think about this because all you need is 6 people paying you $97 a month and you essentially break even here, okay? Now again, if you're charging $497 a month, then you're break even just with 1 person. So it depends on what you charge. But the beauty of this is let's just say you have 1,000 people times 97, it doesn't matter because you're still paying the $497. So this would roughly be almost $100,000 a month, okay? And that's the beauty of GoHighLevel. It doesn't matter how many people you have. It's very easy to break even. All you need is at least 5 to 6 people to break even at the $497. All right, so let's talk about one of the most powerful parts. This is called the compound effect, okay? So I want you to visualize this because this is where it gets very exciting. So let's just say on month 1, you get 10 people here, okay? So 10 people in the software at $97 a month. That's roughly $970, okay? Now, here's the key. Month 2, you actually don't start with $0. You already have money coming in from the previous month. So that $970 comes in. Let's just say now you add an extra 10 people. Now we're at 20 people paying you $97 a month. Now you're up to $1,940 here. And then same thing, this will bleed into month 3, assuming those 20 stay. And you start month 3 with that $1,900. But let's just say we add another 10 and now we have $2,900 coming in, right? Now, of course, yes, some will cancel, right? So let's just say, month number 4, you only have 25 people coming in, right? Again, you're still starting out with that monthly revenue, right? 25 people at $97 a month. You're still starting month 4 with people coming in. And then of course, our goal is to slowly build this business so we can get it to 100K, 200K, and so on and so forth. Now I want to show you my numbers again for Funnel Freedom. As you can see, I've had over 6,000 customers buy my white label software, bringing in over $1.5 million and people paying me every single month. Now, here's the cool thing. We have plans from $97 a month to $497. So as you add more plans, you're going to be able to make more money with your white label software. Now, here's an inside look of my Funnel Freedom dashboard where we resell this software. So as you can see, we have different versions, $197, $297, where there's an annual version, there's a $497, even a $5,000 annual version. Now, the cool thing is I can pick and choose the things that I want to add and I want to take away. So obviously with the premium version, we add every single thing to the premium version. And someone that gets like the $97 version here, we take some of those out, right? So as you can see, we even have a $10 version where if they're trying to cancel, we're like, you know what? This is maintenance mode. We're just going to give you a few of the things here. Again, you can do whatever you want. This is your software. Now, here's a hidden trick that a lot of people don't know. So you can actually make even more money reselling software and add-ons, right? So again, we talked about the regular subscription, but you can actually resell a lot of the extras that GoHighLevel has. And I'm not going to go into all the details here, but as you can see, you can resell something called employee. You can resell something called the app. You can resell prospecting and listings and WhatsApp and WordPress, all kinds of things that you can resell and charge whatever you want. But as you can see, this is my version of GoHighLevel. It has my logo at the top here. Funnel Freedom here. And all I have is a homepage that we created for this. This is the homepage where people can go and buy. And then from there, it'll give them access to the back office where they will get their own account. And then you can essentially manage everyone's account. So let me show you something cool. If I click on this button here, you can see I have thousands and thousands of people under my account because I'm managing their account. I'm the main agency. Everyone under me is a sub user. Now, obviously I'm blurring these out because these are actual customers. So I don't want to reveal their information, but as I scroll down, we have thousands and thousands of people using our software, and some of them don't even know. And most of them don't even know that it's a GoHighLevel software. Now, if they ask me, I'm 100% transparent. I'm like, yeah, I'm white labeling GoHighLevel. Honestly, they don't even care. They rather have my support and my community because everything that I build specifically for them. And that's a big question that people have. They're like, well, if I'm reselling it, why wouldn't they just go to GoHighLevel? And they could, right? And a lot of people have done that. But the thing is, if you are reselling a software, people are interested in what you're selling and your expertise and the things that you're specifically offering. So for example, when people get Funnel Freedom, I don't just give them the software. I have a community, I have a Facebook group, I have coaching calls. These are all extras that I give them. That way, when they buy my software, they feel like they are actually getting help. All right, so if you're excited to resell GoHighLevel, click on the second link in the description down below. This will take you to this page. Now, I actually have a deal with GoHighLevel where they give you an extended 30-day free trial just for using my link. And when you use my link, I'm going to give you access to all the resources that I mentioned in this video. Now, you're going to want to choose the $497 plan to resell it. This allows you to resell it at 100%. Now, if you just want an account for yourself, you can just get the 97 version. Now, if you want multiple accounts under you, that's what this one is. But if you do want to resell it, you're going to want the SaaS Pro, which is the $497 a month. And again, when you use my link, even for a free trial. Just to try it out, you're going to get access to all the resources that I mentioned, my community with almost 3,000 members, my entire course that walks you through every single setup. Inside of this, I have an entire course set up for how to set up your white label course here, your white label software. All of that is in there step by step. And we have coaches and myself to help you through the process. Again, all of this is absolutely free. All I ask is that you use my link down in the description below. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video, and God bless.